people get tired, will he be tired?
No way.
Will he finish the race?
Yes, sir.
And you will finish it well?
Yes, sir.
I believe in you. Today is Gokana. A lot of people say a lot of things. For me, just like the DG said, my brother, my friend, is the one who contributes or who has contributed to the welfare of our people. Is it not correct?
It's correct.
Not be so?
Not so.
Now, if you are from a place and you are in government, you are in position, and you have not utilized that opportunity to see what you can do for our people, can you say you are a brother to the people?
No way.
Can you say you love your people?
No way.
I challenge anybody. And I want to say clearly today, your son, Victor Jada, was commissioner for works in this state. Is it not correct?
It's correct.
This road was awarded. Obia to Bodo was awarded. Was it completed?
No way.
Was it completed?
No way.
Who completed it?
Yes, sir.
Who completed it?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your friend?
Yes, sir. Wike.
They said they're going to bring a modern secondary school for you. Did I bring it?
No way.
Did I bring it?
No way.
I promise you, I was going to rebuild government secondary school. Well, is it almost done now?
Yes, sir.
Is it almost done now?
Yes, sir.
Have I fulfilled my promise?
Yes, sir.
Have I fulfilled my promise?
Yes, sir.
Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your friend?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your friend?
Yes, sir. Wike.
I told Ogoni people, vote for me. I'm going to dualize Sabuwa to Kono Road, which is about 31 kilometers. Have I done it?
Yes, sir.
Have I done it?
Yes, sir.
Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your friend?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your friend?
Yes, sir. Wike.
I said I was going to link the bridge from Kedere to Bolo so that people from here will go straight to Bolo instead of passing the other way around. Are we doing it?
Yes, sir.
Are we doing it?
Yes, sir.
Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your friend?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Who's your friend?
Yes, sir. Wike.
Okay.
Habale na baria, habale na baria, you know baria, you know baria. Habale na baria, habale na baria, you know baria, you know baria, you know baria, you know baria, you know
PDP.
Powers to the people.
Now, somebody who was commissioner of works, somebody who claimed, I love my people. You sat down. You are worried, banging my 30 road. Kibanga my 30 road. Right? Has it been done? Has it been done?
No.
Has it been done?
No.
Now go home, it will be done.
Yes, sir.
Go home, it will be done now. Who is your brother?
Yes, sir, Wike.
Who is your brother?
Yes, sir, Wike.
Who is your friend?
Yes, sir, Wike.
Who is your friend?
Yes, sir, Wike.
Now, these people who say they are campaigning, I hear Victor, my friend, in APC, he said they want to campaign for which person to run governor, I don't know. Tell them, their president, the leader of their party, said to Nigerians that we are the best.
Now, sir.
We are the best.
Yes, sir.
We are the best.
Yes, sir.
We are the best.
Yes, sir.
We are the best.
Yes.
No be so.
Now, so.
No be so.
Now, so.
Tell them make them carry their counterfeit go. Do you understand me? Tell them to take their counterfeit and
Go.
carry your counterfeit and do what?
Go.
Why you don't go feel listen to your papa? Your papa we don't see everything. Once you don't on top, you wait there for done. Your papa does X-ray everything. He said, no. This PDP for River State, the people don't do well.
Yes, sir.
They don't do better well. Now you want to come compete with us?
No way.
Them fit?
No way.
Who them be? How many them they? Now who born them?
How many them they? Why we don't go with them? How many them? How many them? Why we don't go with them? How many them? Why we don't go with them? How many them? How many them? Why we don't go with them? How many them? Why we don't go with them? How many them?
Now, the final thing I want to tell you, this election is not the election of 2019. Where did they go bring army? Where did they go bring police to chase our people away? This 2023, no army,
No way.
no police.
No more.
Now the people's power.
Yes, sir.
Now the people's what?
Power.
What is our power?
PVC.
What is our power?
PVC.
What is our power?
PVC.
We use it.
Yes.
And show them pepper. We will use our PVC and show them what?
Pepper.
We will pepper them with our PVC.
Yes, sir, we get pepper them. Oh, ha. Pepper them. Yes, sir, we get pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Yes, sir, we get pepper them. Oh, yeah. Pepper them. Yes, sir, we get pepper them. Oh, pepper them. I see the sweet us. He go the pepper. I see the pepper. He go the sweet us. I see the sweet us. He go the pepper. I see the pepper. He go the sweet us. Say a biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man. He don't give us eyes, oh, a biggie man.
This, the campaign we came to do here is those who told me to campaign for them. Oh.
Yes, sir.
If nobody tells me to campaign for them, I will go campaign.
No way.
Nobody has to say make a campaign. Nobody will come here.
Yes, sir.
We will vote for governor. Nobody.
Now, so.
Similar Fubara. Nobody.
Now, so.
With our sister Ngozi Odirobiam.
Now, so.
We will vote for Senator Barinada and Piggy.
Yes, sir.
Nobiam.
Now, so.
Dundeko.
Now, so.
No so.
Now, so.
Mao, no be so.
Now, so.
We no get campaign for any other person, no.
No way.
On a heaven that they tell us,
Now, so.
this is our campaign. Nobody give us money now. We they contribute. Anybody where one make who campaign for and to make him send us money.
Now, so.
No be so.
Now, so.
No be so.
Now, so.
Look, make nobody intimidate you now. We there for ground. We fool for ground.
Now, so.
We fool for ground.
Now, so.
Nobody.
Nobody.
When they born for this country, go intimidation. Tell them say, fa. You must be proud of a Gokana person. You must be proud of an Ogoni person. You must be proud of a Rivers person. We will never play second class role. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
We will never do that. Never. The leadership will sit with you. Kera Kobani, Fred Bako, and all of them. They will sit with you and know what to do. The other one is family thing, not be so.
Now so.
Family something. Yes. They never talk for public, not be so.
Yes, so.
Family matter, they discuss for family house. Do you understand?
Yes, so.
Are you ready?
Yes, so.
Are you ready?
Yes, so.
Are you ready?
Yes, so.
Most of them, they watch for YouTube. Where they say they go deal with me. When they win. You not go win now. You not go win.
You not go win, no.
You never win. If they say you go deal with some people. God go agree you.
No way.
God go agree you.
No way.
If they come because you want to take power to punish people, we say, look I'm this way. To punish us, we say, Yendeba. God go agree. And I dare them. I dare them. Let them try. All these your brothers, where they stay for Abuja, tell them to remain there. Tell them to do what?
Remain there.
They are our ambassadors. May they remain there.
Yes, so.
When we want them back, they come back. But I must tell you, I'm impressed with what we have seen today. That means Gokana is what? Simplify. Gokana is what?
Simplify.
Gokana is what?
Simplify.
Thank you. Thank you. And God bless you.